In this video, I'm going to share with you 5 really useful verbs that you're probably not using enough of. So, our first verb here is Ashtrig. Ashtrig is to move or to translate, and the verbal noun is ag astru, which is moving or translating. Dashrig she go Gaeilge é. She translated it to Irish. Dashrig she go Gaeilge é. Tá siad ag astru tí. They're moving house. Tá siad ag astru tí. Next we have Brewing. Brewing means to press or to push, and the verbal noun is ag brew, which is pushing or pressing. Bhruaigh she an doras agus dog she go lua. She pushed the door and she left early. Bhruaigh she an doras agus dog she go lua. Bhí an bank ag chur brú uirthi. The bank was putting pressure on her. Bhí an bank ag chur brú uirthi. Queen is next. Queen is to cry, and crying is ag cuine. Ag cuine, that's the verbal noun there. Chuin me isce mo chin. I cried my eyes out. Chuin me isce mo chin. Bhí an lanav ag cuine. The baby was crying. Bhí an lanav ag cuine. Next we have Deshig. Deshig is the verb to fix or to mend or repair. And the verbal noun is ag deshu, which is fixing or mending. Níor dheisig sé é, rinne sé níos massa é. He didn't fix it, he made it worse. Níor dheisig sé é, rinne sé níos massa é. Tá sé go húntach ag deshu rudí. He's great at fixing things. Tá sé go húntach ag deshu rudí. Our next verb is Irig. Irig is to rise or to become something. So this is a really useful verb and quite flexible and can be used with a wide variety of sentences. The verbal noun is ag Irig, which is rising or becoming. Ag Irig. Dairig sé níos massa ag an deire seachtaine. He became worse over the weekend. Dairig sé níos massa ag an deire seachtaine. Tá an ghrian ag Irig. The sun is rising. Tá an ghrian ag Irig. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it an old thumbs up, and I'll be back very soon with another video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you soon. Slán go fóill.